morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. But today I am going to a Siren themed birthday party. It's one of my friends that I met last year. She's the one I went to a Bridgerton themed party last year, and she hosted that. And so it's her birthday. And if you don't know what a siren is, it's like a mythical being, but they're kind of like mermaids. And so that's the theme, like the vibe is siren. So I got an outfit from Shein. I wanted something that was affordable. I tried a lot of stuff. I landed on this one outfit from Misguided, and it's super cute. So it's like 12 o'clock and I have to shower, do my hair. I think I want to wear a Outre Penny 26 because I bought a fresh one from Sam's Beauty. I would have preferred to have a number 2, but nobody has a number 2. So I got a 1B, and no, I got a 1B30. So it has a little color in it, and I'm probably gonna have that in this video. And yeah, I wanted to do a little vloggy vlog of me getting ready today. All right, guys, so now we are gonna do our hair and makeup. So I'm gonna start off with Outre Penny 26 in the color 1B30. And I'm not gonna do, I don't think I'm gonna do finger coils like I normally do. I'm just gonna gel my edges and kind of blend them into the wig, because I don't think you need to do that with synthetic half wigs. But I did that with Lumi that I just reviewed. Now the root of it is not a dark root, so I'm gonna add this root touch up here. I think I probably got this from the beauty supply store, but they have, L'Oreal has one. Now that I know I can do this trick, I'm not intimidated by half wigs that aren't my natural hair color, because I can just dark root it. Okay, so I'm going to use my Extreme gel and follow it up with my Kiss Colors and Care Edge Fixer here. My hair is dirty actually right now, but so I'm going to try not to use too much leave out. Yeah, my hair is dirty. Those are the ringlets I'm talking about at the end. The original one didn't have that. So I'm gonna kind of turn mine off to the side. This does have a comb, a longer comb in the back, and adjustable straps. It doesn't have a drawstring though. It has a long comb in the front. I saw this one lady, after she like smoothed her edges into the wig, she put a headband over it while she did her makeup, and then just let it like marinate in the roots of the wig. I'm gonna probably try that. Use this first, Extreme gel. Carve out my edges. Do that first. Gonna moisturize with this Olay vitamin C lightweight moisturizer here. Okay, I usually use my e.l.f. Power Grip primer, but I picked up this Maybelline Grippy Serum primer with niacinamide in it. So this is, it comes in a dropper form. I do this till my foundation sticks, but then after this I follow it up with a blurring primer to blur out my pores on my cheeks, because I do have large pores. And then I'll follow it up with a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm mainly focusing on my cheeks. because I feel like it blurs for sure. I think it blurs. So my brow product goes on. Easier, and it's not like, you know, moving around. I use my One Size Ultimate setting powder in what is this, Ultra Pink, and I just dust it over my brows, and I put it on top of my cheeks as well. It mattifies I feel like it mattifies my cheek area and kind of fills in like the appearance of my pores. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil in 3.5. I'm carving out the outer part of my brow with Juvia's Place concealer in shade 13. I'm gonna use Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation in 35N for the inner part of my brows. That's like my skin tone foundation. I am just gonna put my bronzer in my crease. This is the Juvia's Place bronzer in the Tan Duo palette. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna put my Milk Jumbo pencil like in my inner corner and underneath. I'm not doing like a full-on eyeshadow look. I'm just gonna have like a pop of color. This is Chaos from Urban Decay. Just see how this looks. I think I'm gonna put some purple in my inner corner. I think this is called Ube. This lavender shade. This is from a Glam Light palette, the Cake palette from Glam Light from a couple years ago. Didn't really show up. This white shade, I'm going to put it on top of the purple I put on my inner corner and see. I'm going to wear these lashes from Lily Lashes. They are Game Changer. These are self-adhesive lashes, so you just put on mascara and then plop them on, and they respond to your body heat. This is my second time wearing this pair. After a while, you will probably have to use glue, but not the first few wears. I am going to mix mostly the Best Skin Ever from Sephora and just a little bit of the True Match from L'Oreal in W8. Oh, I didn't color correct. Alright. I'm gonna contour with this Plaudio Beauty foundation stick in Mocha. I'm using 13 on my inner part of my eye and then 12 on the outer, which is the deeper color. All right, so here is the look here. The top gave me some problems, so I had to tuck it under, but it's okay. I have on a brassy bra, but I still had to tuck the top under, and I do have some double-sided tape on. I have the matching skirt. I wish it went to the ground, but it's fine. And it has a little star right there. Then I have this silver bag. I was gonna change out my nails, but I'm just not gonna do that. I have on this bracelet that is sea themed. I went with silver jewelry. I was gonna wear a necklace, but I'm not gonna do that. I have the starfish earrings. I say it look very pretty.